What is up, guys? It's Shamsi here with another video. Thanks for tuning in again for another banger, my G. So today is a bit of a sticky one still. As you guessed, another problem with the Renault. Now, so man's driving to work now. Park up. I'm seeing steam or smoke coming from the bonnet. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? So man's panicking, doing all of this shit. Open up the bonnet now. Fucking, I'm trying to find out where the steam's coming from. I can't see where it's coming from. Then I put my head to the right, and boom, right there, it's coming from the coolant reservoir tank. I'm there like, for fuck's sake. I open it up now. No coolant, no pink thing, no nothing, no nothing, my G, nothing. So because I'm not sure you guys know, when I did that thermostat change, I did put a bit of water in it to try to top it up. I shouldn't have done that. I need to drive my car. So I put water in it again to get home now. I get to Renault, I drive to Renault dealership, and then I pick up a OEM Coolant Type D. Now, if you guys don't know what this is basically the OEM thing that comes when you buy your car. I'm not sure if you can see. You can't see with that, but you'll see when I pour it out. But anyway, special type of coolant, OEM, is literally made for the car, so you can't go wrong with it. It's not no Euro car parts, triple QX type antifreeze. Nah, it's made for the car. It's yellow coolant, symbolizing Renault. Get me? So people are gonna say, oh bro, it's just like, the only difference is the yellow dye. No, it's been made for the 197 and the sports cars and whatnot. You get me? So we are going to do a little coolant flush today, and long story short, I'm basically gonna drop a hose from the radiator, because that's the lowest point where the coolant flows, so everything can flow out. And I'm gonna be topping up with water, the whole thing with water, so it can flush around the system and then get it out once more. And then we're gonna use every single last drop of this coolant for the whip. Now hopefully it goes to plan. If it doesn't go to plan, you won't see this video, and if it does go to plan, you will see this video. Cool. So yeah, I'll pick you up in the next clip right about now. Cool. First up, what you want to do is you're gonna pop your bonnet like so. Alright, got it. Cool. What you're gonna do now is open up your coolant tank. Obviously, I just drove the car, so it's better to do it when it's cold, but I'm gonna fucking send it, mate. Ah, shit. It always do that. Fucking hell. Yeah, it almost exploded. Some of them explode, but this one didn't, luckily. And yeah, see, it's a bit of pink because there was a bit of pink coolant in the system. But I just filled up with water. Yeah, that is hot. Anyway, next step is to jack up the car. Oh, you fucking bad big. You know. Yeah, I'm not sure where it's leaking from, but I think it's coming from probably from here or something. I'm not 100% sure. Everywhere, man, G. So what I did was I couldn't get the fucking monkey fucking shits, this evil thing what they decided to make. Couldn't get it off from the radiator, so I did the other way, which is by the fucking thermostat. So what I'm gonna do is fill it up with water, plug everything back up. Wait, plug everything back up first, then fill it with water, let it circulate, and then do it one more time, and then yeah, then it's time to fucking fill it up with that yellow goodness. So fucking yeah, let's get it. Alright, cool. So the whole system is now flushed. Ignore that. So what I'm gonna try to do, yeah, I'm just waiting for a bigger set of pliers, because the pliers what I got is too fucking small, and I don't remember the tool. This pliers is too small. I don't remember the tool, what it's called, to get this, or else I would buy it. If I can remember it, I'll buy it, but I literally don't remember it. So yeah, this is the Coolant, my G. This is the Type D, my G. Look at that yellowness. It looks green, I ain't gonna lie, it looks green, but it's still fucking OEM shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Fill it up a bit more. Engine is a bit loud, sorry about that, but yeah, it takes the green coolant, so I'm gonna top it up some more.